Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my first ever purchase from Beauty Heroes. Beauty Heroes is an online clean beauty store similar to Credo and the Detox Market, but Beauty Heroes focuses a little more on luxury brands. I first heard of Beauty Heroes through their subscription box. It's really an interesting box. They focus each month on one brand, a beauty hero, with several products from that brand in the box. And I had considered off and on subscribing to the Beauty Hero subscription box, but it's $58.95 a month, which is a bit steep for me for a subscription box, so I hadn't done it. But then I found out that they have their online store. I was looking around for some new products that I had wanted to try and came across their site and decided to place an order. So let's get into it. Here's the box. And let's see what I got. On top here is a little card. They did have a gift with purchase offer going when I placed the order, so this is in here. This is the Kahini Giving Beauty Argan Oil. There's a little card that's describing it. I've heard of Kahini Giving Beauty before. I know that that's a good brand. And this says, a testament to the power of connection. Kahini Giving Beauty is a brand inspired by the Berber women who extract precious argan oil in the deserts of Morocco. Well, that's cool. The founder of this brand discovered the transformative properties of the precious oil and sought to share its benefits with the world. I have used products with argan oil, and I have actually used 100% argan oil on my nails and skincare products that did contain argan oil, so I know that it is a good oil that my skin gets along with, so excited about that. Let's see, dig into the box here. What's this? Okay, this first product I pull out is the argan oil. Here's the box. And as I said, this was my gift with purchase. So excited to have this. If you have watched any of my skincare videos, you know that I love beauty oils. And I'm excited to have this one to give a try. Pretty glass bottle. Dark glass, which is good for preserving the oil. So happy about that. Let's see. And then this next one here is a product that is in my rotation that I use all the time. I love this. This is one of my favorite hair care products. This is from Evolve. This is the Super Finish Polishing Balm. I love this product. This is multiple repurchase for me. It's in my pretty much everyday lineup. This is a great product if you have wavy curly hair or if you have straight hair. If you have wavy curly hair, it helps to enhance and refresh the curls every day without weighing them down. It also helps minimize frizz. And one of the things I love about this is it has a natural SPF in it. Just the ingredients naturally provide some sun protection, which is important to me because since I've gone to my natural gray hair color, I want to preserve those silvers. I don't want them to get that kind of tarnished, goldish color that sometimes happens with too much sun. And here in San Diego, we have some pretty intense sun. So I wear this almost on a daily basis, especially if I'm going to be going out in the sun. I use it on second and third day after my wash day to kind of revive the curls without making them too weighed down. It's just love it. Love this product. So that's a repurchase for me. Let's see what's next in here. Oh, this is one I'm excited to tell you about. This is from a brand that I have wanted to try for a long time, Leilani. It is a brand that I've heard so much about in the clean beauty space, but I have never tried anything from them. And this is their Aqua A Retinoid Renewing Serum. I've talked about how I stopped using Retin-A for a couple of reasons. For one thing, it was just too harsh for my skin and I never got over the irritation. Plus, I have very dry, sensitive eyes, and I started reading some studies about how Retin-A can damage the oil glands around your eye, which contributes to even more dry eye. So I use now retinol products instead. The one I've been using from Mera, I've talked about, it's a Mera beauty oil with retinol, and I really love the product. I've used it for a couple of years now, off and on, but it is $120 a bottle, $120 for a 1 ounce bottle. So that's a bit steep. Even with a beauty oil that lasts longer than some other types of serums, it's still quite a bit of money. I'm trying to find some alternatives, products that I still love and enjoy and are still effective for me, but not quite as expensive as some. And that one's still a little bit steep for me. So I'm going to give this one a try. This is, I believe, an oil also. Let's see. Never tried it, never had a sample of it, don't know anything about it except what I've read. Oh yeah, this is, yeah, I've got way too much out, so that's good. It's a little bit's going to go a long way. That's good to know. Let's put some on the back of this other hand too. I do, when I have excess product, especially my retinol products, put those on the back of my hands because that skin shows my age more than my face does. Okay, the sun damage there is real. It smells really good. I've heard so much that all the Leilani products always smell good. There. I'll rub that into my hands. You can see it looks very rich and nourishing. It feels extremely rich and nourishing. I got just one pump, so I'll have to be careful to not push all the way down on the pump and just get a partial pump. And you can always take out more, but oh, this is lovely. I'm excited. Very excited about this one. Okay, so I've got a wonderful argan oil so far, a new retinol product, and then a product that I know I love. Let's see, I think I've got one more thing in this box to show you. I do. This is from a brand I've never heard of, Vertly. I've been looking for a really rich, nourishing lip product. For some reason, unknown to me, for the past month have just had horribly chapped, dry lips. I mean, we get dry air here in San Diego, but I've never had chapped lips like this. And even in Kentucky, where it would be a bitter cold winter, I never had the kind of chap that I'm getting here right now for no apparent reason. The only time I've ever had lips this chapped is when I've been really sick in Kentucky in the worst parts of the winter. So I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I wanted to find something that was really rich and nourishing for my lips. And I read good things about this one. And I love that it's tinted because at night I can just put a thick layer of Vaseline on. That's what I've been doing. And it is helping. But I wanted something I could wear during the day that was not just a thick layer of Vaseline. So I got this. And let's see. What is the tint on this? Oh, it's CBD infused. Let me read about it here. Moisturize, soothe, and protect your lips while adding a sheer rosy tint with our CBD infused balm powered by fresh botanical extracts. Natural and plant-based. That's vitally important to me. Vertly should be kept out of direct sunlight and stored in a cool place. Okay. Apply liberally as needed. Made in California. And this is Rose Tint is the name of the color. So let's see. Oh, good. This is what I was hoping. It is just a tint. Let's see if I can. I've got just clear gloss on right now, so. I don't know if you'll even be able to see it, but I'll put it on so that you can at least get an idea of how it looks on the lips. Oh, it feels wonderful. Yeah, it feels nourishing. Right there I had a really dry patch, so I thought I'd put a little extra on that. Yeah, it feels really nice. It doesn't feel at all stinging. I've discovered that if I'm not careful, some of the products, because my lips are so dry right now, sting when I put them on. But this doesn't. This feels really good. Oh yeah, I can feel how nourishing it is already. All right, a brand new brand that I am excited to have discovered. A brand I wanted to try for a really long time. Another brand I've heard good things about, with a new beauty oil to try, and a favorite product repurchase. I think that that was a pretty good first purchase from a brand. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit the subscription button down below and then the notification bell next to that so you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.